Hello children, how are you all? Today we'll do lesson number 4, that is directions and maps. This is the new lesson. We are going to start with the new chapter today. Children, this chapter is very interesting and you will enjoy a lot. So let's see what are the things which we are going to learn in this chapter. First, children, we will see about the introduction portion. चैप्टर का इंट्रोडक्शन देखेंगे. देन वी विल सी लैंडमार्क. लैंडमार्क का मतलब क्या होता है वो देखेंगे. एंड देन वी विल सी द हार्ड वर्ड्स. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द इंट्रोडक्शन portion. Okay, children, you may have seen people asking for directions to a place while driving on the road. मतलब अगर आपको आपने देखा होगा कभी पापा के साथ या मम्मी के साथ बाहर गए होंगे, then you might have seen that people are asking, ये जगह किधर आई, कहाँ से जाना है, can you please show the route, right? Have you have seen के ये प्राइम मार्केट किधर आया, right? People are asking for the directions while driving on the road, right? So during that time we use simple words such as right and left, up and down, front and behind to give the direction. For example, I give you the example कि अगर किसी ने मुझे पूछा कि कंट्री साइड कैसे जाना है, तो I'll tell कि यहाँ से straight जाओ, then you will have the railway track and then वहाँ से भी आपको straight जाना है. मैं ऐसा थोड़ी बोलूँगी पहले नॉर्थ में जाना, then साउथ डायरेक्शन में जाना, then ईस्ट में जाना, right? We do not say like that. We use a simple direction कि यहाँ से right turn लेके straight जाना, right? So this is the example. We use simple words such as right and left or up and down for front and behind to give the directions. हम simple words use करते हैं, right? We do not use many words, hard words, or we do not use directions to show the route. But children, do you know that directions किस लिए use होता है? नहीं पता? तो we'll see in this chapter. Okay. But children, do you know what is landmark? Landmark का मतलब क्या होता है? Sometimes while giving direction we mention important places. देखो अभी मैंने आपको बोला कि अगर मुझे किसी ने पूछा कि how to go to countryside स्कूल कैसे जाना है, तो I'll give the direction, right? While giving the direction what I said कि रास्ते में क्या आएगा, बीच में railway track. Okay, that I mentioned the important places, जो famous place होता है. While giving the direction we mention the important places. Children, that important places can be the bank, or it can be the post office, or it can be church, temple, anything. कुछ भी हो सकता है, right? It can be anything. So such places which are very well known, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Landmark. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Landmark. So if I ask you in the exam, what is landmark? So while giving the directions, important places are there. Such places, important places like bank, post office are there. Such जो सबको पता होता है, which is well known, बहुत famous होता है, that is well known to everybody. Such places are called landmarks. But children, remember that while giving the landmark, मतलब landmark देते टाइम वो place famous होना चाहिए, वो सबको पता होना चाहिए. ऐसा जो famous नहीं हो वैसा landmark use नहीं करना चाहिए, because it will not be helpful to anyone, right? So such places which are famous and like bank or post office, when we show it while giving the direction, that is called landmark. Is it clear to you what is landmark? Okay. So this was all about today. Now we will go to the hard words of this video. So first one is directions. Second one is landmark. Third is community. Next one is behind. Behind मतलब पीछे. Community and behind. So these are the hard words which you have to write in your notebook, and you have to start with the new chapter. Give the heading lesson number 4, directions and map in your notebook. Then give the heading of hard words and then start writing it. Okay? And refer to the student's book of this topic. Children, I have taken one topic only today because I want you to make the proper notes of the previous chapter also. Okay? So, till the next video, take care. Bye-bye.